principal. Welcome to Emerson Gridley.
Let's meet some of your teachers.
Hello, I'm Miss Rossi. I teach language arts and social studies for the Recovery Academy Middle School.
And my name is Mr. Abada. I teach science and math for the RAMS program. The RAMS program is special. So if your child is in this program, it's designed to be a 2-for-1 special. So if they started this program in 6th grade, they will be making up their 6th grade and their 7th grade year. So if they do everything they need to do at the start of next school year, they will be hopefully back with their peers starting the 8th grade, back at their home school. So Wilson, SV, or East. If they are joining us and they are in 7th grade, they still get the 2-for-1 special. So they'll be making up 7th grade and 8th grade. So then next school year, they'll be starting 9th grade at the high school, again, hopefully with their peers.
And within our Recovery Academy Middle School, RAMS, we have an incentive program, a way to acknowledge the students for doing what they should be doing. We like to focus on 3 components: their attendance, their behavior, and their grades. So each week they can get up to 50 points, 10 points a day for being on time, being present in our Zoom meetings, participating, completing their assignments. They can earn 10 points. And then at the end of each month, they can cash in those points just like a bank. They can choose to save them and spend them later, or they can spend them right then and get whatever type of reward they would like. Once the students have chosen whatever acknowledgement they would like, the Blue Coats will come to your house and deliver them right to the student.
Yeah, so there's some fabulous prizes that they can purchase simply for coming to school and doing what they're supposed to be doing and behaving appropriately.
Yeah, and one of the key factors there is attendance and that they're checking in with us. Our check-ins are very simple. They just turn on their microphone and say, hey, I'm here, or they can turn on their video, give us a wave to let us know that they're there. And attendance counts from 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. every school day, Monday through Friday, any day that we have class in session. So again, making sure they log in by 8, tardies 8:15, and that they stay through the whole day until 2:30. It's important that they go to their special, whether that be gym, art, computer, and they're there for that whole time. Whenever they log off early or they come in late, those are tardy minutes that can add up to an entire day of absence, and those minutes can accumulate quite quickly. So just making sure they're there from 8 to 2:30, and attendance should be good.
Yep. The last thing is to make sure that our students are logging on at 8 o'clock. It's very simple. They need to go to eriesd.org, so the Erie School District homepage. On the top right, they need to click Students. Once that loads, they need to click on the S. I believe it is white with a black background. That's Schoology. They click it. Then they must go to courses towards the top of that page, find their math course, and then get to the left-hand side of that where it says Updates. Click Updates, and then there's a link, and that takes them to the daily class meeting where myself and Ms. Rossi will be every day starting at 8 till 2:30.
Yep. And if you ever run into any questions or concerns, we're always available. You can call the school at 874-6450 and ask to speak with Mr. Abada or Ms. Rossi, and we'd be happy to walk you through anything. Or you can always email us. I'm trossi@eriesd.org.
And mine would be tabatta@eriesd.org.
We look forward to hearing from you.
My name is Mr. Ushinsky, and I teach the Health and Physical Education program here for the RAMS program here at the Patrick J. DePaulo Student Success Center.
Hello parents, I'm Mr. Morrell. I work with the RAMS program online for remote learning. I am the art teacher, and I make sure that the students develop critical thinking skills as well as artistic creativity. You know where to reach me.